In today's hyperconnected world, cybersecurity is more critical than ever. But with innovation comes new threats. Let's explore the top cybersecurity dangers that organizations and individuals face today. Phishing remains one of the most common cyber threats. Cybercriminals trick users into revealing sensitive information like passwords or credit card details by posing as legitimate organizations. Ransomware is another growing threat. Hackers encrypt files and demand payment to restore access. This can cripple businesses, hospitals, and government agencies. Data breaches expose personal and financial information on a massive scale. Hackers target everything from social media platforms to banks, stealing valuable user data. With the rise of smart devices, the Internet of Things, IoT, creates new vulnerabilities. Poorly secured devices can be hacked, giving attackers control over your home or business systems. As technology advances, so do the threats. Staying informed and implementing strong security measures is essential to protect yourself and your data in the digital age.